Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, back with a quick Dollar Tree DIY for Halloween. We're going to be making a treat basket, or treat bucket, or candy dish, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I'm going to adjust the camera and we're going to get right to it. Okay, so I have one of these witch's cauldrons from the Dollar Tree, and this step that I'm fixing to do is optional, or you can do it with letters you get from Dollar Tree. But I made a little decal with my Cricut. And one says trick or treat, and one says happy Halloween, and I'm just going to put those on my bucket. So if y'all would be interested in seeing a DIY of how I make my decals, just let me know. I'm just going to put this little glass right here in my bucket to hold it still, and I want to kind of center it a little bit. So, I'm just going to take my decal and put it right in the center right here. And then we're just going to peel off our transfer tape. And this font is just a free font. I got this from dafont.com, and it's free for personal use, or you can purchase it for commercial use. So, but it just says Happy Halloween. And then the other side, I'm going to put Trick or Treat. So they have lots of cool fonts on there if you're interested. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to center it on here. Just eyeballing it. I didn't measure it or anything. So, and we're just going to peel off our transfer tape. Okay, so now we have our bucket. And I want my bucket to be raised up a little bit. So I've just bought this square container from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use it. Now, if I was going to use this and wanted it to you know, be permanent and last a little while, I would put E6000 or something on there. But I'm going to want to use this glass for something else, so I'm just going to make a temporary hold on it with a little bit of hot glue. If I can get my glue gun over here. Okay, so I'm just going to put me and my problems with glue guns, y'all. I have got to find me a better glue gun. Then we're just going to set our bucket down. Hold it on there for a second. Okay, we got our handle here. Alright, okay, so we got it adhered to our base. It's pretty good. So now we're going to take our scary hands and we're going to glue them to the side so it looks like our hands are holding our bucket up. Now, I'm going to try it with hot glue. And if that doesn't work, I have some E6000. So, and if you haven't gotten any of these from Dollar Tree yet, these clips are great. These plastic clips like this, these are great for holding things while you're trying to glue. So, alright, we're going to try this side with hot glue. So I'm going to put a good bead of glue, hot glue down this middle finger right here. And I mean, this doesn't have to, you know, hold it up because we got it on that base. So we're just going to take that, position it on the side of our thing, and then we're going to clamp it right there, and then we can hold it down here. Like I said, if that doesn't work, then we'll try the E6000. Looks like that's going to hold, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put glue down this middle finger. You could do it on more fingers if you really want, worried about it falling off, but I don't have a lot of kids or anything around here that'll be messing with it, so. And then we're just going to stick that one on this side. And then I'm going to clamp the top of it. I wish these clamps would be just a little bit longer, but I think at Harbor Freight they have some that are actually longer, but they do come in handy for all kind of stuff. I'm just going to hold that for a second. Alright, that's it. But when I'm going to put this, I'm going to put it on my table, like for Halloween, and put my candy in it, trick or treat. I'm just going to take some of that creepy cloth, they have at Dollar Tree, and you can kind of style it around it. And then you can't see the container so much. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do when I put my candy in like that. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to display it before Halloween, because I just don't want a big bucket sitting around full of candy because I might eat it, and that I don't want to do. So this is what I'm going to do. Now I have a cute little Halloween floral decoration to set on my table. That's my quick and easy Halloween treat bowl or arrangement holder. I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all give it a try. And if you would be interested in seeing me seeing how I made my decals, just leave a comment. I'm gonna try to do some, I think, if y'all are interested. But anyway, y'all have a great day, and happy Halloween, happy fall. I think in Canada it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to my Canadian friends, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all.